All right, this is week 4, Friday. And we're going to go over finding the volume of a cylinder for quarter 4, math 6. Are you ready, Rayson? Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this. Remember, the volume of a cylinder is always going to be the area of the base times what? Times height, right? So let's take a look at this. Your area of the base, and I want you to grab your highlighter, is this part right here. That's your area of the base. Okay. How do you find the area of the base? Area of the circle is going to be 1/2 base, pi r squared. What you need from here is the radius. What is your radius here? Your diameter is 22. So what's half of 22? No, half of 22. That's your radius. So your area of the circle or the base is pi times 11 squared. What's 11 times 11? What's your height of the cylinder? 121. What's your height of the cylinder? 7. So then your volume is going to be 121 pi times 7. So grab your calculator. What is that going to give you? That's your answer right here, cubed. So copy that down. Pi. Make sure you put the pi there. Okay. Remember, your volume is area of the base, right? Which is a circle, times height. So let's find the area of the base. What's your radius? My radius is 10. Yep, miles. So area of the base is pi r squared. So what is that going to give you? 10 times 10 is? 100. 100 pi. Which one's your height? 9. Yep. So this times 9 is going to give you what? Pi mile cubed. Okay. Now that I did these two for you, I want you to go ahead and try the next two on your own. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. Okay, so volume. Yeah, my pen's not working, so that's great. All right, hold on a second. I don't know what's happening here. Hold on. Please stop. Guys, please stop. Okay, let's take a look at the next part. So you look for the volume. Oh my gosh, why is this pen not working? This is ridiculous. Hold on. Okay. Volume equals area of the base, right? Area of the circle times height, right? Well, what's your radius here? It's not what your diameter is for. Your radius is 2. Pi 2 squared is 4 pi. The height is 7, right? 4 times 7, 28 pi miles cubed. That is your answer right there. All right, next one. So area of the base is pi r squared. What's your radius right here? Good. What's your diameter? No, diameter is twice as long because the diameter is from here to here. Do you see how it's twice as long? Yeah, so double it. It's going to be 12. Radius is half of the diameter. It's good practice. Pi times 6 squared is equal to 36 pi. What is your height here? So 36 times 7, what is that going to give you? That's your answer. All right, number 5. What is, you see how this is now tilted on the side? What is your radius? No, that's your diameter. Diameter is 12. What's your radius? Yeah. Volume is the area of the circle times height, right? Area of the circle is pi r squared. So it's pi times 6 squared, which is 36 pi. What is your height? Yeah, because you have to think of it, it's on the side, right? What's 36 times 4? Okay, go ahead and copy it down, please. You need to write down the steps, though, okay? Do you understand me? All right, let's go on to the next part. Here we go. 11 is what? What is 11? No, but what is that? Is it the radius or the diameter? Yeah, so what would your diameter be? No. 9? No. Diameter is twice as much as the radius. What is your radius if you double it? Yeah, I'm asking you this because I want you to practice with it. Your volume is the area of the base times height. What's the area formula for a circle again? Go ahead. Pi r. So pi times 11 squared is 121. Pi, what do you need? What's your height? I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Grab your laptop. What's your height? 9? Is it a 9? So what's 121 times 9? Good. Copy that part down. Make sure you write down the steps in between. I'm gonna have you do number 7 and 8 by yourself, so give that a try. All right, what does the 14 represent?
14 is the biggest.
You sure about that? Because it says it's from here to here.
Diameter.
If the diameter is 14, what's the radius?
28.
Okay, the radius is half of the diameter.
I think we multiply by 2.
Okay, radius. It depends. The diameter is bigger, so it's either half or it's divided by 2. Diameter is gonna be 2 times radius. Do you see that? Radius is diameter divided by 2. So which one is this one? Hold on. So the diameter is 14. What's your radius? No, it's half. What's half of 14? You need to get that right. You're not gonna get this right. We can't figure out the radius and diameter relationship. Did you even try this one? Your radius is gonna be 49 pi times 7. What's 49 times 7? How did you try this one if you didn't even get the radius correctly? What's 49 times 7? You can rewatch the video and figure it out later. I don't have all the time in the world to go and go over this when you're not paying attention. What is it? Number 8. Not right now, Emma. What is 3? Is that radius or diameter? Let me show you something. The diameter is from here to here. That's a diameter. Do you see that? The radius is from here to here. So take a look at number 8. Is that the radius or is it the diameter? I'm sorry, what? You're saying that that looks like a diameter, number 3? What you say matters. So let's try to put a little bit of effort into what we're doing, shall we? No, I'm done. It's not a conversation, I'm just telling you. Area of the base times height. What's your area of the circle? How'd you get 9 pi? What's the formula for area of circle? Yeah, your R is 3, so what's 3 squared? That's how you get 9 pi. What's your height? What's your answer? 99 what? Pi. Don't forget the pi. If you don't have the pi, that's wrong. Okay. I want you to think about what is the area of a cone or volume of a cone. The volume of a cone. 1/2. Nope. Area of the base times what? But because it's a pointy or is it not pointy on top? If it's pointy, you divide it by 3. Do you remember that? So start the first one. Figure out if it's a radius or a diameter. Is it radius or diameter? What is radius? Half of the diameter. That's the radius is 4, right? Your volume of a cone is the area of the base times height divided by 3. Make sure you copy that part down. So to find the area of the base, which is the circle, which is pi r squared, 4 times 4 is going to be 16 pi. Do you agree with that? So that right there is 16 pi. What's your height? Divided by 3. What's 16 times 8 divided by 3? Plug it into your calculator. Nope. Try again. 16 times 8 divided by 3. Divided by 3.
That's what I did.
Okay. 2 decimal places. Don't forget your pi. Centimeters cubed. That is your volume. Do you understand? Make sure you copy that part down. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Actually, I'm gonna go on to number 11. I'm gonna do number 11. I'm gonna have you do the other ones by yourself. For number 11, what is 22? Is it the radius or the diameter? Yep, because from here to here. If the diameter is 22, what's your radius? Good. So remember, your volume is going to be the area of the base times what? Okay. What's the formula for the area of the base? Nope. It's a circle. Okay. Radius is 11. 11 times 11 is?
121.
Yep, that's 121 pi times the height. What is your height? Okay. Divided by 3. So what's 121 times 22 divided by 3?
$443.67.
443.67. Okay, don't forget your pi, right? There's a pi right there. What's your unit? Cubed. You're finding the volume. Volume is cubed. All right, I want you to do the last 4 by yourself, or the last 2, 4, 6 by yourself. Can you do that?